How to buy Money Dogs token. So this token came under the symbol of MDOGS. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral links now in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. Don't forget to check their Telegram channel. They include it too on their X account. So as you can see, this token it's available on Mixi. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, find the token on CoinMarketCap. Just type this symbol of that token. Now click on markets here. So after that, you will be able to see the Bitkit and Mixi. So it's available on these exchange platforms. So if you don't have an account on Mixi, go down in the description. You will find the referral link. Go and create an account on Mixi and fund it with some USDT if you want. If you want to, of course. So after you create an account and fund it with some USDT, click on this referral link here, and you will be redirected to this token page to be able to buy it. So go here in the buy option, click on the limit or the market is the same. Here type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you will be paying of USDT. So after that, click on buy MDOGS and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So if you click on the markets, drag this to set how much percentage that you will use of that USDT you have on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy MDOGS and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy MDOGS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the video.